This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Quit it! You're driving me nuts.
Chucky.
No, I need that.
Maggie! Stop!
In March.
Ouch.
Chucky!
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
Stop yelling at me. I don't need the tune. Drop the tune.
Don't do that.
Darling, I am already so proud of you.
Hi, are we hungry?
Oh, you come back for more?
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
No!
You bastard. You.